I'm Wendy Needs, and I'm going to show you how to make a giant snowflake. The supplies you need are 6 pieces of paper, and it can be, I'm using white paper, and I'm just using paper that you print onto, computer paper, a stapler, some scissors, and some tape. Go grab your supplies. Let's get creative. We're going to start by taking our one piece of paper, and we're going to take 1/4 and we're going to go up, 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 because we want to make a perfect square. So we're folding it until it is even to the side. And then what we're going to do is cut this part off, so that we have a perfect square. Okay, so that's come off. And now what we need to do is we're going to fold it one more time over. Take your triangle and we folded it in half, and make sure that your fold part is on this side. This is important because you want to cut it in the right place. Okay, so I've got my flap over here, and I'm going to cut along this edge here. Okay, so it's the edge that opens up, and I'm going to do 3 cuts. So we're going to cut until leave a space there. And then we're going to come over and we're cutting on an angle like that. And then one more. Cut it all the way to there. Okay. Now we're going to open it up. Open, open, open. So now what we're going to do is we're going to find these 2 pieces. We're going to get a piece of tape ready. And we're going to tape these 2 pieces in the center together. Just run your tape over so they are together, just like that. And now we're going to flip it over. Get some tape ready. And now we're going to do the same thing on the back. Like so. Okay. Flip it over. Take the next 2. Attach them in. And you guessed it, we're going to flip it again one last time. There we go. Glue them or tape them together. So there you go. There's our first one. Now we have to do 5 more of these. I'm going to fast forward and do it again. So I have all 6 of them made now, which is great. So now we're going to put them together. So we're going to start with 3, and we're going to find the side that has the bigger X. So see how there's a smaller one and then the bigger one? So find the bigger one, bigger one, bigger one. And we're going to put those all together. We're going to line them up. We're going to take the pointy part and we're lining them up, and then we're going to staple it together. So you might need to get some help for this. So we're going to staple. Okay, so we have 3 there. Now we're going to take another 3. Let's find the side with the biggest X. There. And there. And this one. And we're going to staple those together. And now, look at this. We can staple the middle ones together. Make sure they're kind of in snug. And you might need to do 2 different staples. Or you might need someone to hold it for you. Let's try again. There we go. And then I might do one on the other side too. There we go. Okay. So now you can just leave it like this if you want, or you can tape these sides together, or you can staple them. I'm going to staple them like that. And then see how they're apart, so you can take 2 more, staple them together like so. And then you can go all the way around like this. So I'm on my last one here. And then I'm going to be all done. There we go. So pretty. You can hang these up in your house for some beautiful decorations in the winter. All right, happy creating.